Packed with fresh herbs, fragrant spices, and a fiery chili paste, these chicken patty kebabs deliver big flavor in every bite. Start by slicing the onions. And then squeezing them by hand to remove excess water. This helps prevent the mixture from becoming too wet and helps the patties hold their shape during frying. Next, slice the tomatoes. Discarding the inner mushy parts and keeping only the firmer outer flesh. Just like with the onions, this helps reduce excess moisture so the patties stay firm and don't fall apart while cooking. Finely slice the coriander leaves. Now, prepare the chili paste. Remove the stems and slice the green chili. Bird's eye chilies. And small bird's eye chilies. Then blend them together without water to make a strong, spicy paste. In a large bowl, combine the ground chicken with crushed coriander, crushed cumin seed, then add whole cumin seed, rubbing it lightly between your palms to help release its aroma. Chili flakes, salt, seekh kebab masala, chili powder, the chili paste, the sliced tomatoes, coriander leaves, and onions. Add ginger and garlic paste. Then add roasted gram flour. It acts as a natural binder, absorbing moisture and holding everything together while also adding a subtle nutty flavor. If you'd like it spicier, you can mix in a bit more chili powder according to your usual preference for heat. Then gradually pour in some cooking oil while mixing again to ensure a smooth, uniform mixture. Once done, oil your hands to prevent sticking and shape the patties easily. Take a portion of the mixture, roll it into a ball, and flatten it into a patty. Heat some oil in a pan over medium heat and fry the patties until they are golden brown and fully cooked. Keep the heat at medium to high to get a nice sear without drying them out. Your chicken patty kebabs are now ready to be enjoyed. If you want to store them, the uncooked patties can be kept in the freezer for up to 6 months.